Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract content from the all-in-one WP migration plugin backup file. So if you are using this plugin, you all know it creates a backup file with an extension .wpress. We can able to restore the file on a WordPress installation, but in order to extract the file in our PC or laptop to get the content, we need a software to do that. For that, I'm using this software, Wpress Extractor. I will provide the GitHub repo link in the description. If you go to that link, you can see two download options, one for the Windows and one for the Mac user. Here I'm using Windows, so I'm clicking on the Windows version. I've already downloaded the Windows version. As you can see, I have two files on my folder, one the WP extractor and the other one is my backup file which I've created using the all-in-one migration plugin. So I have the two files inside the same folder. I'm just copying the path of my folder. Open this file and extract the backup file. In order to do that, go to command prompt. After entering to the command prompt, type this command cd space or right click on the mouse to paste the path of the folder we just copied. Click enter. So we have now on the new folder. To extract the file now, we need this command wpress extractor space the file name. I'm copying the entire file name including the extension. Type this command wpress extractor space the file name and click enter. As you can see, it's now extracting the content inside the backup file. It will take time, depends upon the size of your backup file. I'm going to fast forward this process and show you the results. The extraction process has finished now. As you can see, it's showing all done. Now you can close the command prompt. All the content inside the backup file has been extracted. So this is how you can extract the Wpress backup file without restoring it on a WordPress installation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips like this. Thank you for watching.